Okay, when making the connection to the storm drain catch basin, you just snap the weep tile or drain tile, French drain pipe, onto the barbed connector that you glue into the Schedule 40, and you can't even pull that off. Over here, we went ahead and we dug out where the water was collecting around the deck posts. So we're going to cut this fabric here and then lay another piece of fabric in. We're going to run the stone from the French drain main right up to the deck post. There was a lot of water collecting around the deck posts. All the deck posts will have drainage stone right up to them, so no water can collect and lay by the deck post and rot the deck out. This will preserve the deck. This homeowner will be able to enjoy this deck for decades to come. For a French drain system installed in Washington Township, Michigan, done right the first time, give us a call.